Welcome back to ShakeThat! Last time we traveled from Sausalito to LA. Today we are heading deeper into California's cocktail map, from newspaper archives to San Francisco rooftops, and even the heart of the city I live in, Sacramento. Let's pour the stories! The very first time this cocktail name appeared in Oakland Tribune back in 1965. Here is where our trip begins. White Russian. For the cocktail you need vodka, coffee liqueur, light dairy cream, as known as a half and half, and ice cubes. Born on paper in Oakland, California, and immortalized decades later by the Big Lebowski, the White Russian became a symbol of laid-back California cool, creamy, coffee sweet, and endlessly relaxed. How to make? Fill a rock glass with the ice. Pour 1 ounce of coffee liqueur, 2 ounces of vodka, float 1 ounce of light cream on top, and stir slowly to marble. Smooth, simple, and forever chill. Just like legendary Jeffrey the Dude Lebowski. Next up is Across the Bay, a cocktail that swings through San Francisco's nightlife like its namesake trolley, cable car. You'll need spice rum, orange liqueur, lemon juice, simple syrup, cinnamon sugar, the ground cinnamon and granulated sugar, and ice, also the orange zest. Invented in 1996 at the Starlight Room atop the Sir Francis Drake Hotel. The cable car brought the sidecar into a modern age with a spiced rum and a dessert-like rim. One sip and you're practically gliding past Union Square. How to make? Rim the champagne saucer with the cinnamon and sugar. The helpful device, by the way. Fill the glass with ice. In the shaker, also with ice, add 1 ounce and half of spiced rum, 3/4 of ounce of orange liqueur, same amount of simple syrup, and the same of lemon juice. And now you know, shake that. Empty the glass and strain into the prepared glass. Garnish with the long orange zest. Bright, spicy, and balanced. A sweet ride through the city by the bay. Now we're all into another San Francisco creation from the 70s. Born at Henry Africa's Bar, where ferns, mirrors, and disco rules the night. Lemon drop. You'll need vodka citron, orange liqueur, lemon juice, simple syrup, sugar for the rim, and ice. The cocktail became a California classic, refreshing, flirty, and sparkling with citrus. Perfect for anyone who believes that the life is better with a little sugar on the rim. How to make? It's pretty simple. Rim a martini glass with the sugar. Fill it with ice to chill. In a shaker, also with ice. Pour 1 ounce of vodka citron, 2/3 ounce of orange liqueur, a half ounce of simple syrup, and the same dose of lemon juice. And now, as you probably know, that until cold. Empty the rimmed glass and strain into. Sweet and tart in a perfect sync, like a disco ball catching the last spotlight. And finally, we reach Sacramento, where a modern classic was born in 2007 at the Shady Lady Salon, White Linen. You'll need gin, elflower liqueur, lemon juice, simple syrup, club soda, cucumber, and ice. Rated to beat the Central Valley heat, the White Linen is crisp, floral, and irresistibly fresh. Pure Sacramento summer in a glass. How to make? Slice a few cucumbers round and add them into a shaker. Pour also a half ounce of simple syrup into a shaker. Muddle gently. Add 1 ounce and half of gin, a half ounce of elflower liqueur, 1 ounce of lemon juice, and finally ice. And of course, shake that. Fill the highball with ice, strain into a glass, top with 3 ounces of club soda, and stir. Garnish with a couple of cucumber slices. Cool, elegant, and quietly confident, like Sacramento in a golden evening. That's part 2 of our California journey, from Oakland's newspaper archives to San Francisco's shining rooftops, and all the way to Sacramento's summer patios. Which one would you sip first? Like, subscribe, and keep shaking things up. Part 3 is on its way.